Hi loves, my name is Katia Kulyk, I'm your life coach, and I am here to support you in creating the life you love and creating it with ease. You know Robin Sharma, he said, don't live 1 year 75 times and call it a life. And that's why I'm here. Today I want to talk to you about the upcoming year and how to set your intentions that you will follow through with. And doing that is very easy, setting the intentions that you actually want to fulfill. So there are a couple of steps to do to create the best version of your life in the upcoming year, and I'm going to guide you through these steps and also offer you a beautiful workshop that I'm doing on the 2nd of January. Let's go for a jog. The first step to creating anything, including the life you love, is decide. Deciding means you cut off the other options and you focus exactly on the option that you need. And in order to decide, I invite you to pick up a pen and paper and sit down and write out what is it that you want in 4 different areas of your life. First, your physical body and health. Second, your relationships, and they can be relationships with anyone, your loved one, your family, your co-workers, your boss, your employees, whoever. Third is your work and finance. So your goals in achieving whatever it is that you want to create in your work, how much money you want to make, how much money do you want to save, how much money do you want to grow and invest. And the fourth is your mental health and your happiness. And happiness can include anything from adventures, experiences, quality of your life, things you want to buy, things you want to enjoy, and how do you take care of your mind, including meditation and other fun stuff. So you sit down, you take a piece of paper, and you write down all of the intentions or wishes or goals. You feel the difference in the energy of these words, right? Step 2 is feel into them. What does it mean to feel into them? You read whatever it is that you've written and you close your eyes and you enjoy a beautiful visualization of how your life's gonna be when you actually create all of these changes in your life. And the more emotion you add into this, the more your body, your whole being is going to be eager to run and create these changes. Because in creating the things that you want, the most important steps are knowing what you want and why you want it. And then the action steps can be different. You've probably heard about the law of Pareto, where 20% of the actions you take create the 80% of the outcomes you receive. Remember what I told you in the last video?
Winter is coming.
And so it has come. Look at the snowflakes on my eye. And the last and most important step is to actually celebrate all of your intentions and wishes and plans and things that you want to create in the upcoming year. And when you celebrate, that's the second way of adding energy into it. The more energy you add into your goals, the faster they're going to become your reality. And then you think, oh my God, what if I don't have any goals anymore if I achieve all of them? Don't worry, you're gonna have the new ones and new ones, and that's what life is about, expansion and celebration and going forward with your life, your goals, and creating it with your own energy. And the last thing that I really want to encourage you to do is feel into the energy of your intentions, the things that you want to create, and generalize it into one word. And that's going to be your word of the year. I've been practicing it for 7 years now. Every year I choose the word of the year, and this energy of the word is guiding me through all of the decisions I make and all of the things that I do. So last year was all about receiving. I had noticed that I was all about giving, and all of my significance was so attached to this giving that I was kind of wearing myself out and burning out. And last year, I chose to receive, and right now I'm standing in our own house that it was also my decision and my partner's decision to receive it, to make it a reality. I've received so much last year, so much love, so much care, so much from all the trainings that I did and all the things that I learned and everything that I allowed myself to come into my life. By deciding, paying for it, choosing it, my coach, my Tony Robbins experiences, like 6 trainings in 1 year, our house, all of the beautiful development of our relationship with my partner, all of this came true because I chose the word to receive. So what is your word gonna be for the upcoming year? For me, something is boiling up inside connected to celebration. I'm guessing that's gonna be my word, and I really want to hear your word. Please write it down in comments. And of course, the last step that's gonna make your intentions even more solid is to share them with someone. And the best practice is to create your intentions, your plans, your wishes in a group of people, because then the group energy is gonna move it forward. You can reconnect with the group. You can be accountable for what you say you're gonna create at the moments when you feel weak. And for this purpose, we have created our beautiful workshop that's coming up on January 2nd, where we will create an environment to celebrate the last year, to create intentions for the upcoming year. We're gonna do it in the group, we're gonna meditate, we're gonna celebrate. It's going to be a big celebration. We will smell an amazing wild orange oil. We will send you a beautiful mandala for the coming year, where you can write your word of the year, and that's going to be a designed experience to create your intentions that you will follow through with. If you are ready to jump in and join our workshop, I will love to see you, and I am inviting you with all my heart. The link is under this video. Remember, only you decide how bright you shine. Now, are you ready to create the most magical year ahead of you that you have ever lived? Choose the right word. Choose the right word of the year. And are you ready to run for it? Are you ready to run for it?